Water cycle by Nate. Sun. The sun is important because water wouldn't be able to evaporate without it. Energy from the sun hits the water, turning it into water vapor. Ocean. The ocean is where it evaporates most. 97% of water is in the ocean. When the water evaporates, it rises into the air. Evaporation. The water that evaporates is made out of tiny particles called water vapor. When water vapor rises, it makes the air moist. It condenses when it is cooled. After that, you can see clouds. This is called condensation. Condensation. Water vapor hits a cold drink and makes it sweat because the air and the water vapor are both warmer than the drink. Condensation is the reason why you see water droplets on a mirror after you shower. Clouds. When water evaporates, it turns into clouds. This happens when tiny clumps of water evaporate and join together. It takes a lot of water to form clouds. Precipitation. When tiny droplets of water join together and become bigger, water falls from the clouds. This is called precipitation. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail. These are different forms of precipitation. The type of precipitation depends on the temperature of the atmosphere. If it is over 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it rains. When the temperature is under 32 degrees, we get snow, sleet, or hail. Fun fact, the largest piece of hail ever recorded weighed more than 1.5 pounds. Land. When water hits the ground, it gets absorbed by the soil. This is called groundwater. Some of the water that we drink is gotten from wells that we dig to get water. River. After water hits the ground, it travels downhill to form rivers or streams. Water from the river or stream goes into the ocean. A cycle is a series of events that happen over and over again. The water cycle will never end. Bibliography. Books. Water, no author. Water Cycle by Gillian Gossman. Water in the Atmosphere by Isaac Nadian.